Hello everyone. Today in this class we will solve problems on resistors combinations of resistors. Here is the problem. First, the three resistors are connected in parallel along with the voltmeter is connected parallel. This battery are connected key and the values are given. R1 is equal to 5 ohm, R2 is equal to 10 ohm, R3 is equal to 30 ohm. And what they are asking calculate calculate a current through each resistor. Current through each resistor. As we know that when resistors are connected in parallel, the voltage remains constant for all resistors, but current is varies. The second part is the total current in the circuit. The total current in the circuit. Third part also is there. Third part is the total circuit resistance. The total circuit resistance. Let's solve one by one. First one, you have to calculate current through each resistors. So here, when resistors are connected in parallel, current in each circuit is different. That is, in first one I1, here I2, this one I3. So according to Ohm's law, I1 can be calculated as I1 is equal to V by R1. So V is constant, this voltage given. Voltage is 12 volt. Voltage is 12 volt. Voltage is 12. Resistance R1 is 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 left. If you point U point B 124, so it becomes 2.4 ampere. Second one I2. I2 is equal to V by R2. V is 12, resistance is 10. So 0 cancel, point will come. It becomes 1.2 ampere. Third one is I3. V by R3 is equal to 12 by 30. 3 fours are 3 tens are. So it will become 0.4 ampere. Now second one, what they are asking, this is A part, and B part what they are asking total current. Total current. So how can you calculate a total current? Total current can be calculated by I is equal to total current. I total is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. I1 is 2.4 ampere plus I2 is 1.2 plus 0.4. 0.4, 0.8, 0.8, 0.21. How much it become? 3, 6, 4. 4 ampere. Now last part, C part, what? Total resistance. or equivalent resistance. The total resistance. The total resistance or the equivalent resistance formula when we connected parallel, that is 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Here R1 is 5 ohm plus R2 is 10 ohm plus R3 is 30 ohm. Now we have to take the LCM. 5, 10, 30. So these all which table possible? 5 table possible. 5 ones are 2s are 6 are 2. 1s are 3s are 3. 5 2s are 10. 10 to 10 3s are 30. So LCM is 30. 5 ohms are 30. 5 6 are 10 3s are 31s are 30. Here 1 by R equivalent. 6 ones are 6 plus 3 ones are 3 plus 1 ones are 1. So 1 by R equivalent is equal to 10 by 30. We want R equivalent. R equivalent is equal to what? Take it this reverse. 30 by 10. That is what? 0 0 cancel. That is what? 3 ohm. R equivalent is equal to 3 ohm. Let us solve some more questions. Second question of this today's class. Here the resistors are connected in this way. This is battery. Through battery, resistors are connected. Here one parallel. End to end means this is parallel. R1, R2 through this ammeter plus minus, here key switch, here terminals. These are terminals. Current flows from this to this. This is the combination. Plus sign, current flows from here this to this. Here resistance are R1, R2. This is R3, R4, R5. Resistance are given. So what they are asking here? They are asking total resistance in circuit and total current flowing in the circuit. Total resistance. First part is total resistance. Second part is total current. So first part, total resistance. Here two part is there. So given data first. Given data, voltage is given 12 volt. R1 is equal to 10 ohm. R2 is equal to 40 ohm. R3 is equal to 30 ohm. R4 is equal to 20 ohm. R5 is equal to 60 ohm. These are the given data. From this data, what you have to calculate total resistance and total current. First, total resistance. Here we have seen two parallel connections. These two are parallel and these three are parallel. And after let us take these two parallel, we can call R dash. This parallel connection we call R double dash. When these two are solved, when this one solved with, it will become this like this ammeter. This one like named as R dash. After solving this, it will become R double dash. These two will become series. So what you have to do? First you have to calculate this one by parallel. Then this three by parallel. After this two becomes series. I hope understood. Let us solve. First R dash is parallel. So one more. If resistance are if in a circuit only two resistors there means R equivalent is equal to what will become R dash is equal to R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Only two resistors is there means we can use this formula. Here R1 is 10, R2 is 40 divided by 10 plus 40. 10 into 40 divided by 50. 0 0 cancel. 5 ones are 5 eights are. So it becomes 8 ohm. Simple. Now R double dash. R double dash we can't apply. There are three resistors are there, but that's why normal. R double dash is equal to 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R5. 1 by R1 is equal R3 is equal to what? R3 is equal to 30. 1 by 30 plus 1 by 20 plus R5 1 by 60. ಮತ್ತೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಸಿಎಂ ತೆಗೆಯಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಸಿಎಂ ಯಾವುದು 30 20 60. So 10 table 3s 2s 6 3 table 1s 2 as it is 2s 2. So 6 3 2s 6 6 6 10 60. So LCM is 60. 10 30 2s 20 3s 60 1s. So 2 1s are 2 2 1s are 2 plus 3 1s are 3 plus 1 1s are 1 is equal to 1 by R double dash. So it become 6 by 60. Now 1 by R double dash. So we want R double dash. R double dash is equal to this power. Take this 60 by 6. 6 1s are 6 10s are. So R double dash is equal to 10 ohm. So what you want? We want R total. Here R total. To find R total, this R dash and R double dash will become series. See here. This R dash and R double dash will become series. So what is the series formula for to find the equivalent? That is what? R dash plus R double dash. So R dash what we got? We got R dash is equal to 8 ohm, right? Yes, 8 ohm. 8 ohm plus 10 ohm is equal to 18 ohm. R total is equal to 18 ohm. Now second B part. B part what they are asking? They are asking total current. So to find the total current, is equal to, according to Ohm's law, V top always I by R. I is equal to V by R. So V is equal to how much? 12. Already they given. 18. 6 2s are 6 3s are. So what? 2 by 3 means 3 ones are not possible. Point given means 8 20 become 6 are. Again it will become 6. So it will take 0.67 ampere. So total current is equal to how much? 0.67 ampere. Let us solve one more question. Third question. How can three resistors? How can three resistors? How can three resistors of resistance 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm be connected be connected connected to give a total resistance total resistance of first part is 4 ohm, second part is 1 ohm. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತ್ರೀ ರೆಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ. ಈ ತ್ರೀ ರೆಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ನ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಥರನ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೂನ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ನ ಸೀರೀಸ್ನ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಯಾವ ಥರನ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು 4 ohm ಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು 1 ohm ಬೇಕು. ಅದ್ಯಾವ ಥರ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು ಜನರಲ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಐತೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೀರೀಸ್ನ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ R1 is equal to 2 ohm, R2 is equal to 3 ohm, R3 is equal to 6 ohm. R1 2 ohm, R2 3 ohm, R3 6 ohm. So how to find equivalent resistance in parallel? It just now only discussed. 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Now let us take LCM of these three. 2, 3, 6. 2. 1s are 3 as it is. 3s are 3. 1s are 1s are. So what is LCM? LCM is 6. LCM is 6. 3 is a 2 is a 2 3 is a 6, 3 2 is a 6, 6 1 is a 6, 3 1 is a 3 plus 2 1 is a 2 plus 1 1 is a 1. So 1 by R equivalent is equal to this much. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 by 6. So 6 by 6 is nothing but 1, 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is nothing but R equivalent is equal to what? 1 ohm. We achieved first second case. We achieved second case by connecting all resistors in parallel. So we can get total resistance is 1 ohm when we connected parallel. Connect parallel. When we connect all resistors in parallel. See, parallel. Second case. Let us try first one. First case, that's for second part. Let us try two resistors in series. Another one is parallel. Otherwise, two parallel. First two parallel. The remaining one is series with this. This is R1, R2, R3. We'll see. Trial and error method like R1 is 2 ohm, R2 is 3 ohm, R3 is 6 ohm. Parallel. Already I told 1 by R, so R equivalent is equal to shortcut formula. R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Here R1 is 2, R2 is 3. 2 plus 2 plus 3. It will become 6 by 5. So R total, then it will become, this one will become series. So R by 5 plus 6. That is what? R total is equal to R equivalent plus R3. 6 by 5 plus 6. 6 plus 30 by 5. 36 by 5. This is not possible. Next what we do, we'll connect first one series, then second two are parallel. This is not possible. R1, R2. Now R2 and R3 are connected in parallel. Just we are trying, we are checking by trial and error method. First, our first case is failed. Now you are check this by this method. R here R equivalent is equal to, according to formula, R2 into R3 divided by R2 plus R3. So R2 is 3 into 6 divided by 3 plus 6. 6 3 is a 18 plus 6 plus 3 9. 9 1 is a 9, 2 is a. So what it become? It become 2 ohm. Now our resistance, our circuit will become R1, R equivalent. So R total is equal to what? These two are become series now. R total is equal to R1 plus R equivalent. So R1 is 2 ohm plus R equivalent is 2 ohm. Just now only we got 2 plus 2 4 ohm. So successfully achieved our first case. So to achieve this, first resistor should be connected to achieve 4 ohm. R2 and R3 is connected in parallel, and R1 is connected series with them. R1 is connected series with them. Series with them. So that's all for today's class. If you have any doubts, any inquiries there is, please comment on this. I will solve it. Thank you all.